White noise. She tried to fit portions of her life into tidy little boxes that could either be stacked in plain view, tucked away in some remote cupboard, or brought out for recycling along with the trash, hoping that it would be just as easy a task as cleaning out her closet and desk. This obsessive cleaning was a frequent task that took place on sleepless nights. Item upon item would be removed, and with them, part of the value or pain they imposed upon her. She thought of it as being a minimalist, but there were deeper reasons. Sentiment was a dangerous thing.